We're going to begin fractions by reviewing some simple fraction vocabulary. So please list your notebook fraction vocabulary. To begin, we're going to talk about the numerator. The numerator is the top number of a fraction that tells how many parts of a whole are being considered. So in our example over here, 4 would be considered the numerator. Out of the 5 parts, we are talking about 4 of those 5 parts. The next vocabulary word is denominator. And the denominator is the bottom number of a fraction that tells how many equal parts are in the whole. So with our example, 5 is our denominator. 5 would be the whole number, or all of the parts that represent the denominator. So numerator and denominator. This line right here is referred to as the fraction bar. Moving on, we have 2 types of fractions. The first one is called a mixed number. So a mixed number includes a whole number and a fraction. Sometimes it's referred to as a mixed fraction, which includes a whole number and a fraction. But the most common phrase is mixed number. A number that's made up of a whole number, it cannot be 0, and a fraction. So our example is 1 1/2. The last vocabulary word we have, students, is improper fraction. And the prefix im means not. So it's not a proper fraction, it's improper. And an improper fraction means that the numerator is larger than the denominator. Traditional fractions have the numerator is less than the denominator, but improper fraction is actually opposite. So, an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. So some examples I have is 5/3, and because 5 is greater than the denominator 3, it's improper. Another example I have is 5/5, and this is an example of when it's equal to the denominator. 5 and 5 are the same, so this would be an improper fraction as well. In the next video, we will talk about how to make a mixed number improper and an improper fraction into a mixed. Please get out your notebook and let's begin taking notes.